Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering circuit pre 2018 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 148 is statement 1. In air conditioning, the atmospheric air mixture of dry air and water vapor can be considered as mixture of two ideal gases. Statement 2. In the temperature range used in air conditioning, the partial pressure of water vapor is very low and it follows the ideal gas relation with negligible error. So options are option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So here, according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, total pressure is pressure of dry air plus pressure of water vapor. PT total pressure and PDA is dry air pressure, VPV is vapor pressure. So vapor pressure is very low, and so total pressure can be assumed as pressure of dry air, and dry air is an ideal gas, so it can be considered as an ideal gas or um, or mixture of two ideal gases. Okay, so statement 1, that is in air conditioning atmospheric air can be considered as a mixture of two ideal gas, that is true. And in the temperature range used in air conditioning, the partial pressure of water vapor is very low and it follows the ideal gas relationship because it can be treated as a superheated vapor. So superheated vapor behaves like an ideal gas, so it can be taken as ideal gas. So both are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So answer is option A. Answer is both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So that is